Welcome. If you're tired of constant pings and want to get notifications only when someone mentions you on Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the easy, updated way to set your server notifications to only at mentions, so you can focus on what matters most. First, open up the Discord app on your phone. Once you're in, head over to the server where you want to adjust your notifications. You can find your servers on the left side of the screen. Just tap the one you want. Next, look at the top of your screen. Depending on your device, you'll either see the server name or 3 dots. Tap on that. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, select Notification Settings. This is where you can fine-tune exactly what you get notified about for this specific server. You'll see a few choices, but for our purpose, tap on Only at Mentions. This means you'll only get notifications when someone uses at everyone, at here, or directly mentions your username in a message. With this setting, you won't be bothered by every single message. Instead, you'll only be alerted when someone actually needs your attention. This is perfect for staying in the loop without being overwhelmed by constant notifications. If you ever want to change this for other servers, just repeat these steps. Discord lets you customize notifications for each server, so you have total control over what you see and hear. And that's it. You've now set up your Discord mobile app to notify you only when you're mentioned. No more unnecessary distractions, just the important stuff, right when you need it. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with friends who might need a little peace and quiet on Discord. Thanks for watching and enjoy your quieter, more focused Discord experience.